Hey everyone, welcome back to our Valorant series. Today we have got something really cool to show you. How to change the enemy color in Valorant. If you are tired of the default colors and want to personalize your gaming experience, stick around because we have got you covered. So let's get started. First, open Valorant. Then click on Settings option in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the General tab, you'll find an option called Enemy Highlight Color. This is what we are looking for. Click on Enemy Highlight Color and you'll see a color list. The default color is selected as red. You can pick any color you like. This will change the color of your enemy's outline. I have selected purple for testing it out. Once you have selected the desired color, click Close Settings to apply your changes. So, let's see it in game. See, the color is changing into purple. And that's it. We have successfully changed the enemy color in Valorant. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-minute solution channel for more videos.